Hey there YouTube, 85cc Master here, doing a tree job today, or at least finishing one up. Got the Takeuchi here, dump truck, trailer, loading out these two cherry trees into the dump bed. I got two pecan trees over there. Look at that pecan tree right there. That sucker is huge. I got the first cherry tree down. Of course, this is going to be smoking wood. Cut up already. Started cutting this one. Didn't realize there was a daggone piece of concrete right beside the base of this tree. I hit it with the Remington. See, look at that sucker. Didn't even see it there. Chain of shot now, so now I'm going to pull out the Husqvarna. Get this one down with that bad boy. Alright, we got this next one down, this next cherry. I got two little saw logs out of it. It's 14 and a half on the base and 11 and a half, yeah, 11 and a half down there on that end. That one's too stout in my liking to be smoking wood. That could be boards or mantle or something other than smoking wood. And same thing for this saw log right here. I cut both these a little over 10 inches. Like, I got those 10'2" on both of them logs, and then I got the rest of this as smoking wood, the bigger pieces. Pretty nice. Let's get this loaded up. Alright, so I cut the end off one of the cherries and got this cool little mini slab right here. Got a little bit of shape to it. Of course, that side definitely needs some work getting it flat, but anywho, customer said he was going, well, not a customer, he's my buddy. I got trees from him, but he's going to take care of these piles of limbs. He's going to burn them, use them for firewood. I left them a little bit back over yonder. Overall success. I got cedar down yonder. Got 2 pecans right here. And 2 cherries. Look at this big old sucker right here. Sorry about the stability in this video. I know I'm shaking. Man, that is a big old pecan right there. Look at it, it's even got stuff growing out the center of it. Look at that. Ain't that crazy? It's got water running out. I guess it's got a cavity in there. It overfills and runs out. The limbs on this thing are big. It's got trees growing off the tree. Definitely a very old pecan. It probably don't look wide in the video, but in person this thing is very wide. Very wide. Easily 3 foot wide. Heck, right there is probably, I'll roughly step it out. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's like 3 foot wide. Anywho, hope you enjoyed the video. This is 85cc Master. Y'all have a good one.